Here we have a 150 series Land Cruiser Prado, fitted in steel grey sheepskin, full fit front and rear. So front pair have separate headrests. Seats are profiled to the shape of the seat. Airbag provision on the door sides of the backrest. Bases have electric controls which are still accessible. Functional with our seat covers fitted. Because this is a later model Kakadu Prado, it has the hard capping on the back. So with our seat cover fitted, seat covers go inside that capping, and that's also with the later model VX models as well. Then we move to the back seat. So back seat's a 60-40 split, 50-50 backrest with the center panel that folds down, separate headrest, armrest access with the drink holder also accessible. On the back of the armrest, even though it's a full fit, we put canvas. That's simply for the clearance. When you fold the armrest back up, it sits back into place with the canvas instead of the sheepskin on the back of the armrest. Full sheepskin down the back of the backrest on the rear, including the fold down center panel, has sheepskin on it as well. Center panel still folds down independently of the two backrests. Center lap sash belt is allowed for. Being a 7-seater, the 40 side has a tilt mechanism with a slide with our seat cover fitted. Access to that lever. Seat still tips and folds forward as needed.